So me and my kids made a DIY gingerbread house out of boxes and a few other craft supplies that I already had. So there was a lot of steps involved, but they had a lot of fun making it. Especially my youngest, he was so excited once we got it completely built. He just wanted to play with it after that point. He didn't even care to decorate it with paint or anything. But once I showed him all the paints and all the craft supplies that I had for us, he was super excited. So we painted just a bunch of little gingerbread type things like peppermints and little candies just all over the boxes. So we added this fluffy stuff to the roof to make it like snow. We added glitter on it all throughout the entire box. Now there's glitter all over my house. I will be cleaning it up forever. And then we added this ribbon over his window and door. I see you. We added a few little icicles hanging from the roof and then added some extra little Christmas balls that I had on the roof as well. And then I thought this would be perfect for a doorknob. Now he has little doorknobs. I added some Christmas tissue paper on the front, and then we added lights on the inside, and he put his blankets and some of my Christmas pillows on the inside as well, so it looks nice and cozy. Both of my boys really loved it. They both got in there and played together for a little bit. I didn't get a video of that, but I do have some pictures, so I'll share that at the end with you guys. So anyway, it was just a lot of fun, so I wanted to share it with y'all.